One stone away from war.
Now here's the part most people don't know. The Kaaba wasn't always shaped like a cube.
Wait, what?
The original Kaaba had 3 straight walls and 1 curved side.
So, a curvy cube thingy?
Sort of.
That sentence physically hurt my brain.
Remember, Quraysh didn't have enough money, so they shortened one side and left part of it outside the walls. And that small half-circle area you see today? That's called Hijr Ismail. It marks the part that used to be inside the Kaaba.
So that half circle isn't just decoration?
Nope, it's actually part of the original Kaaba. That's why during Tawaf you must walk around it, not through it.
One rebuild changed the Kaaba's look forever.
But the real chaos? Oh, it hadn't even started yet. When the walls were finally finished, only one thing remained: placing the black stone back into its place.
Easy mission.
Not even close. One tribe yelled, "We should place it." Another tribe shouted back, "No, we deserve the honor." The argument exploded. Voices rose, tempers flared, faces turned red.
That's like kids fighting over who gets the last slice of pizza.
And then things got scary. Some men dipped their hands into bowls of blood and swore, "We will fight before we back down."
Over a stone?
Not just a stone. The black stone was the most honored part of the Kaaba. Whoever placed it didn't just get bragging rights. They got eternal honor. Like, remembered forever kind of honor.
So basically, Ego Olympics.
Makkah was now one angry shout away from civil war. Finally, one wise elder stood up and said, "Let the first man who walks through the gate decide." The tribes paused, looked around, and actually agreed. Suddenly the noise stopped. Then, footsteps, echoing through the gate.
Who was it?
It was Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Yes! Perfect timing.
The moment Quraysh saw him, their faces changed completely. People started shouting with relief, "The trustworthy one!" The Prophet, peace be upon him, simply called for a cloth. He placed the black stone right in the middle, then invited each tribe leader to grab one corner. Step by step, they lifted it together. And when they reached the Kaaba, the Prophet, peace be upon him, took the black stone with his blessed hands and gently placed it into its spot.
Big brain move.
And just like that, a war turned into peace.
No tribe lost honor. No blood was spilled. And Mecca was saved.